Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I made this mirror. It's a non-traditional Christmas ornament, and even though it's scary and not something you find often in a Christmas tree, I did like to use traditional Christmas colors. So I used silver and red and green. What you need is a plastic mirror. This one was already black, but I used gesso to prepare it for paint. A piece of acetate and an ink pad that can stamp on it and that is waterproof, so stays on or archival. Then I painted, when I stamped the image, I painted, flipped it over and painted the backside of the plastic. And I used glitter paint in green, red and silver. And these are the ones I used, but any glitter paint will do. And next you have to let it dry because it's plastic, so you can't use a heat gun, so you have to set it aside to dry. And when it's dry, you use small pieces of double-sided tape or sticky dots to adhere it to the mirror. I added also some gemstones in red, and I used some ribbon to decorate the mirror and to hide the wire to hang it to the tree. And I also used some clay skull decorations that I had lying around, but that's totally optional. You can use anything, of course. The mirror was painted first with gesso and next dry brushed with silver paint, and that gave the shiny effect. The stamps that I used for the mirror is this stamp set, and it's called Day of the Dead Sugar Skulls SC52, and it's by Blank Page Muse, of course. Everything will be explained in the video. I hope you enjoy watching. Bye!